Hello, precious family. Welcome back to Glorious Amabrasia Kitchen. This year, Mami Mobi Biara Akwaba. So today we are in where? Manhattan, downtown. So come with me and stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe, comment, and share the video. I love you all.
Glorious Ahombrasia Kitchen na ensu asemedwumadi we say ebremu abusia obetimi akọ on YouTube page Glorious Ahombrasia Kitchen obetimi ahwe spellings ni ye na ade a omoye en same onwa enuane ahodo ene local dishes, foreign dishes, healthy cooking ena oye enuane a wonti bidinda ena omonoa e page ni so make say uye bema uye student uye school mu ananso nyanware ye eja esujani unyo bi no aduane ama obetimi akọ no YouTube channel no so no ahwese no se no anuane ahodo na so wahwe bi na wasua na wano ne kama na numbers na go screen so obetimi afa na emom no menfre test no se help bi na ohia wo test no be reply ma kama na aduane kra pese ono ano Gloria etimi abo.
So here we are at Little Island in New York. So we're going to explore the park. We're going up there. Here we are. So now we are up here. We went all the way around. Now we're getting off. This is a place where they do movies. Yeah. So this side was really funny, but because of copyright, I muted it because it's like the way you step on it, you get a sound like music. Yes. So I was dancing, making my moves, listening to my music, making my own music. So it started raining again. It was drizzling. Yeah, so we left to go get something to eat because my stomach was making noises. So after we went to get something to eat, yeah, they have mini shop in there. Look at this spaghetti. Oh, it was so beautiful. I got one to come and try, so I'll try with you. They have healthy oils, peanut butter cookies over there. It was a nice place. Their food tastes so good. We really enjoy the food. pouring. It's pouring now. Yes, in future this year. No, I see after you did it. Yeah, it's raining. After everything done, the rain is pouring. The rain is raining. The rain is This is what I bought from the mini shop or market. Yeah, I got ginger. It's chewable candy. Yeah, and then cookies or chips. Yeah, that one too tastes good. And that's my spaghetti over there. Yes, we'll try it. Okay. Yeah. And that's my peanut butter cookies. Anything that has peanut butter in it, count me in. Thank you very much for watching. Thanks for your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, please, we are waiting for you to subscribe and join this lovely family. Okay? All my returnees, thank you. Thank you for coming back. I love you all. I still love you all. I still love you. Also, thanks for coming back. And my new subscribers, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And those who share my videos, God bless you all.